Hi, my name is Emily Rowe, and welcome to my e-unit. My e-unit's theme is the power of words and kindness. I found this theme important because of how crucial it is for children to learn about socio-emotional skills, like how to be kind to one another, the power and effect their words can have, as well as what to do with emotions they are feeling and who to go to. My e-unit consists of multiple parts such as related literature, shared reading, guided reading, an e-tool, and my 3-lesson sequence about my read aloud book. A literacy strategy that I used consistently throughout my e-unit is connection. My goal is to have students connect the stories in the book to real-life events in order to advance their comprehension. The related literature tab consists of books ranging from kindergarten to second grade level, and it also features a book in Spanish. These books are all under the topic of kindness and the power of words. During my shared reading unit, I read the book All Are Welcome. During the lesson, we learn new vocabulary and phonograms. It's crucial to engage students at this time in order to keep their interest. During my guided reading lesson plan, we read Sully the Seahorse. In this lesson, we build prior knowledge, make predictions, learn new vocabulary, and set a purpose for reading. Towards the end, we focus on comprehension and visit the purpose for reading. At the end, we begin researching sea animals to begin writing a story. The short story includes a lesson that the main character has learned. During my read aloud lesson plan, I have students identify symbols throughout the book and engage them with questions. At the end, I have students draw and label a picture of how they would show kindness to Brian or someone that they know. So the e-tool that I chose to use is Story Jumper. This tool incorporates technology and writing. The assignment that I chose is for students to create an ebook. The story will be about a character who displayed an act of kindness. The first draft should be on paper and later made into an ebook. At the end, the class will share their ebooks with each other. I wrote an ebook as an example for students, so I will show that now. The Power of Kindness. My name is Liam. Today I helped a woman named Sue cross the street. She felt safe and happy. My name is Sue. I feel safe and happy. Today I told a girl named Lily she had a nice smile. She felt pretty and happy. My name is Lily. I feel pretty and happy. Today I shared my toys with John. He felt excited and happy. My name is John. I feel excited and happy. Today I shared my crayons with Mary. I like doing kind things. Positive words and actions can spread around the world. Do you do nice things for others? We should all do good things for each other. It will make the world a brighter place for all of us. So that was my book, and it definitely features a lot of repetition, which is good for students who are developing reading skills, rereading the same words over and over. And that would definitely be a feature that they could have in their book. So I wanted to thank you all for viewing my e-unit with me. That is it. I hope you enjoyed it.